In this video, we're going to talk about stock indexes. Stock market indexes around the world are powerful indicators for global and country-specific economies. In the US, the S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average, and Nasdaq Composite are the three most broadly followed indexes by both the media and investors. In addition to these three indexes, there are approximately 5,000 others that make up the US equity market. Indexes can be constructed in a wide variety of ways, but they are commonly identified generally by capitalization and sector segregation. Investors of all types use indexes as performance proxies and allocation guides. Indexes also form the basis for passive index investing, often done primarily through exchange-traded funds that track indexes specifically. The three main stock indexes, as we mentioned, are S&P 500, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq. Let's take a look at each one of them separately. The Standard & Poor's 500 index is an index with 500 of the top companies in the US stocks, are chosen for the index primarily by capitalization and other factors including liquidity, public float, sector classification, financial viability, and trading history. The S&P 500 index represents approximately 80% of the total value of the US stock market. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is one of the oldest, most well-known, and most frequently used indexes in the world. It includes the stocks of 30 largest and most influential companies in the US. It's a price-weighted index. It represents about a quarter of the US stock market. And the Dow Jones is known for its listing of the US market's best blue-chip companies with regularly consistent dividends. The Nasdaq Composite Index is a market capitalization-weighted index of all the stocks traded off the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. This index includes some companies that are not based in the US. Known for being heavily tech-weighted, this index includes several subsectors across the tech market, including software, biotech, and more. Other companies from other industries are included as well. You can find the major world indexes in Yahoo Finance and see the dynamic of each one of them on that website. Indexes play an important part in the overall analysis of the US equity market. Indexes and their movements provide a great deal of insight into the economy, the investing public's risk appetite, and the trends for investing diversification. In general, understanding the nuances of their construction and composition can be essential for making all types of investment decisions.